If you're a dog lover, Molly's World Cafe is definitely your dream come true. This is like doggy heaven, filled with playful, adorable corgis who will steal your heart in seconds. Watching these little furballs run around, play, and cuddle up with visitors is pure joy.
Ano pong favorite part niyo ng work niyo dito?
Syempre, itong sa dog tour talaga. Bali, nawawala po stress ko pag dito po ako sa
If this was doggy heaven, then I would gladly go to heaven. It's the perfect spot to unwind, relax, and make some furry friends.
Visit lang po kayo dito ma'am sa Molly's World Cafe, malapit po sa Eton Centris Walking.